Radhe to everyone. With immense grace of our Gurunatha and Guru Ayappan, we are very fortunate to study Sundarakandam. We are entering new month, February Vandach. So, we are beginning chapter 48. 48, we have seen some slokas. Let us review those. Hanumanji, Indrajit has come to fight with Hanumanji. He's a very accomplished warrior and very great tapasvi. So he's going to bind Hanumanji with a Brahmastra. We will study the whole chapter today. Let us read the slokas up to 20. Brahmastrena Hanumat Bandhanam. अष्टचत्वारिंशः सर्गः तदस्तु रक्षोऽधिपतिर्महात्मा हनुमदाक्षे निहते कुमारे मनस्समादाय तदेन्द्रकल्पं समाधिदेशेन्द्रजितं सरोषाम् समस्तविच्चस्त्रविदं वरिष्ठः सुरासुराणामपि शोकदाता सुरेषु सेन्द्रेषु च दृष्टकर्मा पितामहाराधनसञ्चितास्त्रः तवास्त्रबलमासाद्य नासुरानमरुद्गणाः न शेको समरे स्थातुं सुरेश्वरा समाश्रिताः तत्र तु नागयक्षा महर्षयश्चक्रचराश्च सिद्धाः नभः समावृत्य च पक्षिसङ्गा विनेदुरुच्चै परमप्रहृष्टाः आयान्तं सरथं दृष्ट्वा तूर्णमिन्द्रजितं कपिः विननादमहानादं व्यवर्धत च वेगवान्. In his hand, Indrajit is coming to vanquish Hanuman, and the whole cosmos is reverberating with the shock about what's going to happen. Animals are crying. It's sounding very eerie sounds are coming. Raudra Bahuda Vinedu, Babuvar Mrigastan. Raudra Bahuda Vinedu. Then Samagadastatu Nagayaksha, all the celestials are all taking place, their spots in the sky to watch the Yuddham. Nagas, Yakshas, Maharishis and Siddhas. Then the birds are all making terrible noises. Pakshi Sangha Vinedu Ruchahi Parama Prahishta. Then Hanumanji is also increasing his body size and roaring, getting prepared for you have to get in the mood, right? So he got prepared and enlarged his size. Vinanada Mahanadam Vyavardhata Vekavan. Then Indrajit is coming with a beautiful, fantastic chariot, and he is also pulling the bow, and the twang sound of the bow is creating roars of thunder. तदस्तमेधावति तीक्ष्णवेगौ महाबलौ तोरणनिर्विशङ्गौ कपिश्च रक्षोऽधिपतेश्च पुत्रः सुरासुरेन्द्रविव बद्धवैरौ वीरस्य महारथस्य धनुष्मदः सम्यदि सम्मतस्य शरप्रवेगं व्यहनः प्रवृत्तः चचारमार्गे पितुरप्रमेयः ततश्च दानायत तीक्ष्णशल्यान् सुपत्रिण काचन चित्रपुङ्गान् मुमोच वीर परवीरहन्द सुनं सुसन्नतान् वज्रनिपातवेगान् सुस्यन्दननिस्वनं च मृदङ्गभेरीपटहस्वनं च विकृष्यमाणस्य च कार्मुकस्य निशम्य घोषं पुनरुत्पपाद. Equal in strength, balam, anugraham is up, right? Always we tell that in class. Both teams are equal, but what is higher? Anugraham is the one that will finally make the decision. So Hanumanji on the side of Satyam and eternal Satchit Anandam, on the side Yarvika, Hanumanji, they will only win. So like the Devas and Asuras are in perpetual enmity, Sura, Surendra, Viva, Baddha, Vairau, like this both Indrajit and Hanumanji, both are powerful, both have speed and both are very eager to win. So, like the Devas and Asuras, and Indrajit is sending arrows after arrows in so fast every second, and arrows are curved. If something enters curved in the body, it's hard to take out, it will hurt more. Like that, sharp and curved arrows with golden tip is sending, fast, Hanumanji moving this way, that way, and flying in the sky with a huge form again. ततशरानायत तीक्ष्ण शल्यान् सुपत्रिण काचन चित्रपुङ्गा. So Hanumanji now is hearing the sound of the chariot the wheels are making the sound, the twang of the bow, the kind of drums are sounding, from all over. Like this, the sound is making the fight even more um, very terrible and more passionate. Hanumanji is fighting in single-handedly in this situation. Sharana Mandareshwashu Vyavartata Mahakapihi Haristasyabilakshasya Mohayan Lakshya Sangraham Mandareshwashu Vyavartata Mahakapihi Haristasyabilakshasya Mohayan Lakshya Sangraham अनुमदो वेदन राक्षसोन्दरं न मारुतिस्तस्य महात्मनोऽन्दरं परश्चरं निर्विशहो बभूवधुः समेत्य तौ देव समानविक्रमौ लक्ष्ये स विहन्यमाने शरेष्वमोघेषु च सम्पतत्सु जगामचिन्तामहति महात्मा समाधिसंयोगसमाहितात्मा. Greater than the speed of the arrows. The arrows are coming fast. Hanumanji is moving so fast, and with his hands he is pushing them. Indrajit's arrow never missed the mark, but Hanumanji has to move so fast to push away the arrows. Then, after both of them, they know the rules of the war correctly, and they are perfect. And so, like that way, they are fighting the war, and all are stunned. All the people watching are stunned. Sarvabhuta Manograhi Chakratur Yuddham Uttamam, right? It's very powerful and very entertaining war. Both of them know perfectly how to fight. So both are very swift, both are very, very sharp, both are very experienced in such type of battle, and all are astonished seeing this. Hanumanji, however, Indrajit does not know this much tactical Hanumanji is. Hanumanji does not know what all hidden strength Indrajit has. So both are now starting to get impatient because so much time already passed, no result. Then, Tatastu Lakshe Savihanyamane Sharesha Mogeshu Cha Sampatatsu Jagama Chinta Mahadi Mahatma Samadhi Samyoga Samahidatma. राक्षसराजसूनुः चकार तस्मिन् हरिवीरमुख्ये अवददां तस्य कपे समीक्ष कथं निगच्छेदिति निग्रहार्थम् इदामहं वीरः स्वास्त्रमस्त्रविशारदः सन्ददे सुमहातेजाः तं हरिप्रवरं प्रति अवध्योऽयमिति ज्ञात्वा तमस्त्रेणास्त्रतत्त्वविद् निजग्राह महाबाहुः Marudhatmajam Indrajit never missed the mark, but Hanumanji is able to move around them, maneuver them. Indrajit is getting frustrated. Now he is telling how to stop this monkey. Then he said, now I have to use the Brahmastram. So the Brahmastram is Indrajit is Tamastrenastra Tattvavit. Every astra has its own rules and mantra, etc. And so Indrajit is very sharp in everything. You will see some names when you see Ramayana Yuddhakanda, you will see names of astras, names of so many soldiers, people, and the tactics of war, etc. In Mahabharata, you will see the Vyuha formation, right? All those things are there. So here, Shakti Astram, Agni Astram, Naga Astram, Varuna Astram, all kind of astras are there. So now finally he is using the Brahmastram. And Brahmastram is the one Hanumanji will immobilize him. Hanumanji will stop. So Avadyoyamidi Jnatva Tamastrenastra Tattvavit, he knows everything. Nijagraha Mahabahu Marudatmajam Indrajit. See, those days even the fighting was with tapas and buddhi, even when you fight, you use your intelligence and you put effort to learn, etc. That is Rajoguna. Kali Yuga waste, Ganna vacha adikira achu. It's so cruel and so tamasic. Result. That is Kali Yuga. So this is the worst time to be alive, except that Kirtana Matrena, we can get Hari Kripa. And we are in the Kirtana place. Adnala we are good. Otherwise, Kale Doshi, Gotale Doshi Nide Rajan. Etrayo Dosham Vindalum. So many doshas exist. Eka Nalla Guda Mundendi, Kirtana Deva Narayanasya will get the grace. That is the only thing. Otherwise, see how much effort they put to learn all this and do tapas. So Indrajit is very adept in all these astras. So finally, he's so avadyoyamiti jnatva tamastre nastra tattvavide nijagraha mahabahu. It's very long arms and broad shoulders that Indrajit realized this Vayuputra Padila, he cannot be contained just like that. So he used the Brahmastra. Tena baddhastato astrena rakshasena savanaraha abhavan nirvisheshtascha papata samahitale तदोदबुद्ध्वा स ततस्त्रबन्धं प्रभो प्रभाव द्विगदात्मवेगः पितामहानुग्रहमात्मनश्च विचिन्तयामास हरिप्रवीरः अयम्बुवैर्मन्त्रैः ब्रह्मास्त्रम् अभिमन्त्रितम् हनुमान् चिन्तयामास वरदानं पितामहात् मे अस्य बन्धस्य च शक्तिरस्ति विमोक्षणे लोकगुरो प्रभावात् इत्येव मत्वा विहितो अस्त्रबन्धो मया आत्मयोनेरनुवर्तितव्यः विशेष्टश्च पपात च महीतले. He fell on the ground, Hanumanji. Then after a few minutes he got consciousness. तदो बुद्ध्वा स तदस्त्रबन्धं प्रभो प्रभाव विगदात्मवेगः. He understood it was Brahmastra that has bound him. Then he remembered Brahmaji, Pitamaha Brahmaji's anugraham. Pitamaha anugraham atmanascha vichintayamasa haripravidaha. Brahmaji, all the gods have given Hanumanji their boon. My weapon will not affect you. My weapon will not affect you. My weapon will not affect you. All gods have blessed Hanumanji. So Hanumanji remembered that. To get the good thought at the time of crisis, ada anugraham. Brahmaji has already given boon. Hanuman chintayamasa varadanam pitamaha. You should remember the good blessing given to us at the time of crisis. Then we won't swoon and worry. So, tada swayambhuvai mantraihi brahmastram avimandridam Hanuman chintayamasa varadanam pitamaha. He had told only for short time you will be bound. This weapon will only have effect on you 1 hour. So, na me asya bandhasya cha shaktirasti. I don't have the capacity to release myself from this one. So, this has to be respected by me. Vimokshane lokaguru prabhavat ityeva matva vihito astrabandho maya atmayone anuvartitavya. I respect the Brahmastrane. Hanumanji allowed himself to be bound. One time, one story Ramuji gave in one pravachan. Like one family, the Grihastha is suffering with so much poverty. The way he lost his job, Nalla Bhakta family done, but the husband lost the job. He has 2 small children and the wife. And suddenly he's getting all kind of worry, how to support my family, how will I keep going. Kind of a dark future was as though coming for him. He was so much worried and intimidated by life. So he went to Kanjipuram for darshan of Periva and he could not bear. And so he kept on crying and Periva is coming for darshan. Periva saw him crying. And Periva what do you want? When somebody asks, what do you want? We should have the correct answer. Because it's all about the timing and our response at the time. Adhita kala karma svabhava. based on the kala, correct time pannan. Action has to be taken. It's based on our swabhava, what we ask, based on our karma of past that will make us ask all this. So these are all three binding always us, no? So on the correct time he got answer. நான் சந்தோஷமா இருக்கணும். I want to be happy always. Like that he asked. And he's crying. Periva lifted both his hands. சந்தோஷமா இரு. And he sent him. Now, the moment he came back, this is a bhakta in the ashram, Guruji Bhakta. Ramuji knows him, and then after many years, he asked, how did you change like this? He's such a positive person now, and he's having so much bhakti. Children have done well. They both did CS, and they are studying. They are married, settled, all good. So how come this transformation came for you? Ramuji was asking. He didn't know the darshan detail, and then he is telling that I went for darshan and I asked like this, and when Periva blessed like this, I came back and I said, I got the word from Periva that sandoshama ive. Now my mind will not be crying from now on. Things don't change immediately, but the faith has come. My Periva has blessed me. I am going to make it. Therefore, I'm not going to worry. That Manas Santosh odane changed that. The Mano Balam came immediately. The faith of the master, it will bring the transformation. First in the mind. First we have to understand, wow, like what great blessing I have. And then when we have that faith is the faith life. Right? Where there is faith, there is no faith. Even after coming back from Periva, if you say, yeah, Periva said it, but is it going to happen? See, my situation is so much like that. If you think, that will delay the process. It will still work, but it delays the process. So this is what I learned. In Bhagavatam, we see the portion, ye asuya anrita dambirshya himsamana vivarjitaha na tesham ashirvadam will never go waste. Remember the sloka? When I come to such sloka, I like to talk lot. I hope you guys it clicks sometime, because that sloka is very important. The one who has no asuya, one who has no has compassion and love for all, when that person is also a bhakta and a caring person who is also adhikari, and such a person give blessing, it will never go waste. That sloka from chapter 7 Bhagavatam 10.7. Right? So that is why I always tell in class, blessing is everything. Blessing, a word, you got it and came, no? After that you have to give it. So then after the Manobalam first came, and then everything worked easily. So I am struggling. I am also struggling with such things, because we have all baggage from the past. That karma will not let us, because we believe the world is very powerful, the world is very logical, and if I do this only, this will happen. How will something just happen without the some work to make it happen? Like that and all we think, right? We only think like this is the work to get the result, right? Bhagavan does not work like that. For him, it's not. He doesn't have to do like it. Just sankalpa, it happen, and the change has to come for us. His sankalpa will change the things. That is the hard part for us, because we are limiting ourselves in this physical body, and we think everything is, if I do, if I pay $10, I get something. I pay this much, I get this much. That's the world transaction. Bhagavan is not like that. Mahan not like that. Some way the man made Periva melt and said, okay, good, everything good. That's it. That's the Bhagavan difference. So now to remember that is what Hanumanji is blessing, that he remembered that. Then said, I'm going to be okay. He understood that, and so he allowed to be bound. So नमेस्य बन्धस्य च शक्तिरस्ति विमोक्षणे लोकगुरो प्रभावात् इत्येव मत्वा विहितो अस्त्रबन्धो मया आत्मयोनेरनुवर्तितव्यः. Then सवीर्यमस्त्रस्य कपिर्विचार्य पितामहानुग्रहमात्मनश्च विमोक्षशक्तिं परिचिन्तयित्वा पितामहाज्ञामनुवर्तते स्म. अपि रक्षोभिर्महान् मे गुणदर्शनः राक्षसेन्द्रेण संवादः तस्मात् गृह्णन्तु मां परे. See, if the correct thought came, after that all positive things come. Amazing how our own mind is our friend, our own mind is our enemy. How many times we study this shloka? Bhagavatam, Narayanyam, Bhagavad Gita, right? இதுதான் அந்த மைண்ட் மாத்தணும். The mind is our problem. The negativity in the mind is coming from the past, from our environment, everything. So to switch our mind to positivity is our first effort, first result we need, right? Then we can make the work around us become positive. That's the secret. When the mind became positive, Hanumanji said, I'm going to see Rakshasa, his Prabhavam, and I can gather information and tell Rama, so it's good. ग्रहणे चापि रक्षोभिः महान् मे गुणदर्शनः राक्षसेन्द्रेण संवादः तस्मात् गृह्णन्तु मां परे. स निश्चितार्थः परवीरहन्ता समीक्षकादी विनिवृत्तचेष्टः परे प्रसह्यापि गदैः निगृह्य ननाद तेस्तै परिभर्त्यमानः. Even though I'm bound, astrenapi baddhasya bhayam mama na jayate. I don't have nothing to fear. I have anugraham. See, that is what we need to be in crisis situation. He is telling, Pitamaha Mahendrabhyam Rakshitasya Nilasya cha. I have the anugraham of Brahmaji, of Indra and my father. I have nothing to fear. Then he says, good, even if they tie me up, I will have a chance to see Ravana and argue with Ravana. See, Rakshasendrena Samvadaha, I will talk to Ravana. So, fear illata position na best for us. Yenga fearo anga negativity vandach. So that is why the first thing Bhakta need to give up fear. How upasana, chanting more and more Narayanyam, Bhagavatam and hearing positive things. For me, I chant a lot and all before, but the positivity took a lot time. By Gurunath's satsanga, again and again hearing and drilling, only it came. Chanting we have done many years. Are we without fear? I don't know about you. Everybody, I don't know. That is the problem. Then if you are chanting, the Baba Maharaj today's quote is what? Sadhana to man se hona chahiye, right? Action you are doing, but did it go into the mind and make it transform? அதுக்குதான் குருஜியோட சத்சங்ல transformation is our goal. Mind transformation to positivity, higher planes. So by hearing more and more, then I got the positivity in all negative situation. Angada test varum. Negative situation, the positive reaction, check, you got it. How Ambarisha, yesterday we studied, evil spirit is coming to attack physical pain and torture for the life. Life is going to go. Did Ambarisha flinch? No. With his step he didn't move. That is our test. That's our final test. It will come. And the time how you handle, if you got it, then you go higher, you won. But if you again at that time, if you got down, then you have to go again for some more sadhana. Ipdiye we are going back. We are doing with body, but mind fear illam or state has to come. Like Hanumanji, he says, எனக்கு பயம் இல்லை, எனக்கு குருவாயூரப்பன் இருக்கா, right? To apply to me how Bhagavan, me and world, the three things, if we can get the correct relation, then we make it. So Hanumanji is teaching all this. He's telling, I will have a chance to talk with Ravana, and I will understand his mind. Therefore, he allowed like this, and then weak he fell. Hanumanji ki to fall in front of enemies, like ego crush. Hanumanji Pav, he says, I'm gone, I'm gone. You guys win, it's okay. Like that he allows. This is another problem we have. We never want to lose. So that is the ego problem, right? So some place it's okay to lose because you're going to get higher win after that. So Hanumanji, he became motionless and as though Rakshasas, it's your time, you enjoy. Actually, he allows them to win. And so now they bring tree barks and jute ropes which they are tying him and meekly submitting to them, Hanumanji. If he allowed themselves to cry that this sloka, Sarochayama Saparaishtabandhanam Prasahya Veerairabhinigraham cha Kautuhalan Mam Yadi Rakshasendro Drashtum Yavasyedi Nishchitartaha. These people will surely take me to Ravana, so it's okay. Let them tie me up. அந்த பாவத்துல he allowed. சபத்தஸ்தேன வல்கேன விமுக்து அஸ்திரேண வீரியவா அஸ்திரபந்தஸ்ஸ சான்யம் ஹி ந பந்தம் அனுவர்ஹதே. Because they use other ropes and all to tie, now the Brahmastra lost its efficacy. It didn't work anymore. Brahmastra disrespected, so the Brahmastra was loose, became untied. ध्रुमचीरबद्धं विचार्य वीर कपिसत्तमं तं विमुक्तमस्त्रेण जगामचिन्तां नान्येन बद्धोह्यनुवर्तते अस्त्रं मत्कर्मकृतं निरर्थकं न राक्षसैर्मन्त्रगतिर्विमृष्टा पुनश्च नास्त्रे विहते अस्त्रमन्यदे प्रवर्तते संशयिता स्म सर्वे. अस्त्रेण हनुमान् मुक्तो नात्मानम् अवबुध्यत कृष्यमाणस्तु रक्षोभिः तैश्च बन्धैः निपीडितः कल्केन विमुक्तो अस्त्रेण वीर्यवान् अस्त्रबन्धस्तः चान्यं हि. When you use other ropes to tie, Brahmastra will not work now. That is disrespect to Brahmastra. So the Brahmastra hold was gone. Indrajit is understood. I did so much effort to tie him. Now this stupid Rakshasa wasted it. Aho mahat karma kritam nirarthakam. They wasted my effort after. And one more. Punascha nastri vihate astram. Another astra now will not work. Once Brahmastra was tied and it is loose now, any other astra will not work anymore. So Indrajit is feeling terrible, that this happened. And then Hanumanji, even though he's released, he did not show it. Anna smart, see, Hanuman, Jai Hanuman. He did not reveal that. Natmana Avabuddhyata, he didn't show it. The Rakshasas are still stupid thinking, we got him. And they are coming and beating him with all kind of sticks and their fists and everything. Let Hanumanji said, enjoy. अदेन्द्रजितं प्रसमीक्षमुक्तम् अस्त्रेण बद्धं द्रुमचीरसूत्रैः यदर्शयस्तत्र महाबलं तं हरिप्रवीरं सगणाय राज्ञे. कृतो वात्र किं कार्यं को व्यपाश्रयः इति राक्षसवीराणां तत्र सन्दग्निरे कथाः तां दह्यतां वापि भक्ष्यतामिति चापरे राक्षसास्तत्र संक्रुद्धाः परस्परम् अथाब्रुवन्. Free from the Brahmastra, he's thinking even with one blow this Hanumanji can kill all the Rakshasas, but he's not doing it. Indrajita understood. Like this only he brought him to Ravana. And when all the Rakshasas announcing big deal, we brought this monkey who was wreaking havoc everywhere, wreaking havoc everywhere. And so Mahaprabhu, we brought this Rakshasa, they are telling, Koyam kasya krito vatra kim karyam ko vyapashayah. All are telling, why have you come, who are you, what do you want to accomplish, etc. Then Hanyatam Dahyatam Vapi, let us burn him, let us eat him, let us kill him. Like this, they are all shouting. Atityamargam Sahasa Mahatma Satatra Rakshodipa Padamule. सददर्श महातेजा रावणः कपिसत्तमं रक्षोभिर्विविधाकारैः कृष्यमाणमितस्ततः सददर्श महातेजा रावणः कपिसत्तमं रक्षोभिर्विविधाकारैः कृष्यमाणम् इतस्ततः राक्षसाधिपतिं चापि तदर्श कपिसत्तमः तेजोबलसमायुक्तम् अपन्दम् इव भास्करम् संवर्तित ताम्रदृष्टिः दशाननन्तं कपिमन्ववेक्ष्य अतोपविष्टान् कुलशीलवृद्धान् समादिशतं प्रतिमन्त्रिमुख्यान् यथाक्रमं तैः स कपिर्विपृष्टः कार्यार्थमर्थस्य च मूलमादौ निवेदयामास हरीश्वरस्य दूतस्तकाशादहमागतोऽस्मि. Seeing the palace, stunning decorations everywhere, and Ravana is dazzling like the sun. Ravana with 20 eyes is looking at Hanuman. Who is this person? And he made the ministers question him, find out all details about him. Adopavittan Kulashila Vridhan Samadhi Shattam Prati Mantri Mukhyan, all of them, they are all very distinguished, learned ministers, they are questioning. And Hanumanji, Yadakamam Taisa Kapibipishtaha Karyatam Arthasya Cha Moolamada, what is the purpose of your visit to Lanka? And so, who gave this order for you to come here? Then nicely Hanumanji is replying, Nivedayamasa Harishwarasya Dudasakashat Ahamagatosmi. I am the messenger of Raja Sugriva. I have come from the kingdom of Sugriva Harishwarasya. Dudasakashat Ahamagatosmi. This way we end chapter 40. इति श्रीमद्रामायणे सुन्दरकाण्डे अष्टचत्वारिंशत् सर्ग जानकी काण्ड स्मरणं जय जय राम राम हनुमत् भगवान् की जय.